Blish Buni Pibaro and welcome you back to World Winel. Tamtas ngayon kabon crunch pang kina college kiban po 6 semester menta. Kini kina college kidan bon ki ege ba kilong confused kilong kimsungto e kaban jay kila chali singi. Kani bar khoi ka day nakadaw jong ka new education policy. Kani video ngin crunch pang kajingling mi jong ki student union jong ka nehusu siya o province bani crunch pang kata ka 4th year but kata ka postgraduate shisnam mo ngin pen ika jong on jong education minister ha arjar apply spang ka new education policy but ngin yakrangan batari pikindat spang ka new education policy na marka ne kalong ka bakong san ba na matagi khna manta bad na matagi khna ki ban college la shay singir kumjo bar ka bakado ngin batari ika jong bagi khna ki man naka implementation jong ka new education policy hapo ka nehu university pagin soto ba kata yang nya pejak video ka jong ka nehu student union ka bagi kundo jauh provinsi mo tanya inas ka video kandian
ngilawan ban bui atli mat ki bangi wan ra hak majui kan kong kalong ba na benda kan ni ka 4th year kan ni ka 7 and 8 semester syllabus bawat haduk mentaru kim padon ni kata ka syllabus jong kan ni ka 7 and 8 semester.
Imagine kikna 6 semester mentakin to exam mentau banai mantap na kin snaga exam jong kin kot by before June. Shaban sedang June kila kot ka exam ko chongki. Imagine kas 7 semester kadi mat sedang no. Kadi mat sedang no hobna July right? July ne August. Right? Jadi ki ai shuti shi banai ro August ada ban senang no. Hadu menta kata ka syllabus na menta ka 7 but 8 semester kampat done. Umdi tang kini ki pa ang hande kino hikayat kilo ang no kapor.
Yung jungi ngila bu majui ba ina ngi ko kan pensat ya kan ni kajing pendidikan aja kan ni ka syllabus ma wan mata kini kena ki bala dan ka final dia kan ni ka 6 semester ki ban sadep ka exam joki ha ubnai June te kala long ka ba kam kongsan ka ba kam kerke ba wat du mentaru ki pat la bat biang te halor kan ni na ka jing pinsyai ka jong I kalong ba kin saya le kam stat bat na kalin iru kin sa ba yang juga academic council kin sawan ra kan ni bat kini kita yo ki ban sawan hi kin sa la ban
I think that's very important because this is education of the student, the future of the state. Arakim laban na enam ta future ng state ko ito. What's the point of having a university? And hakakasingi ka bakot bakim patlaban na mentaro, it's something bad for the state itself. Tingnan niya ngap show kay ba erase mo.
Te kani ka amat ba arpar kadi na benta kani ka hato kani hu kalala ni amat biang kata ka 1 year PG course number.
So if she's talking about kanishpang ka 1 year PG course postgraduate mod kade namta ka master kata ka she's nam jong ka master. I hope so number master la dibdol pata I hope so bat kineti kin la pande try kata te.
Kat ko ka NEP ko ang shy ba kino ki kena ki bala ban pendep ya kanika 4 years mo kanika 4 years course ka bade with honors tani with honors honors with research te kanika 4th year pade ha kito ki kena ki bala ban pendep ya kanika 4th year kilala ban 1 ya kanika 1 year PG course te hana kaling jumi ki shy ba hato kanihu kalala ni ban pendep ya halor kata te nakaling jong ka university kila ang ba halor kanika benta nakaling jukiro kadi ka bala kam kongsan ban pet China ma ba kena ki dan por stang shis na ban pendep ya ka Jingpule ka jongki.
Imagine. Okay, we have 1 year. At least we have. Kena sa shisnem ki pendep ka neka 7 and 8 semester ko jang ki mo kata ka 1 year PG mo di ba kaya kata ka 7 and 8 semester mo kata ka 1 year PG ka time makin penbet. This shows ba kani ka paniba ka university ro kampat long ready man shim ya ka new education policy. That's one. That's why there's so many difficulties. There's so many bon ki eke jing eke ba mi, bon ki eke jing klumar ki khna ki ba mi, hapok university ki ba mi, ki kino kai ki ba mi. I don't know. It's confusing. It is confusing. Lada yang kalong confused kata imagine ki khna ki ba pule. Imagine ki khna ki badan hapok ground, ki badan hapok ka classroom, ki badan hapok ka Jingpule ka jongki. Kano kalong confused ki tharai. My goodness.
But pan continue ya kani kam PG course kani kam master mo ko bari tang shisnam de ki halar kani kamar ro kila pan shai ba kin sapet bat kin sa ya ra hapo ka academic council bat kumjuro hakiwi ki ba la ban tintik na de nakalin jong kani ro ni ong shai kili I ba hato sa kani ka hapo ka NEP bin shai sabaro ba kidon ki kena ki ba dang long confuse mo ba kila sini
Bon ki kena ka long confuse mo ta spang ka new education policy because nando pas dang hiam ki claim wanra ito ka jing shy spang ka new education policy ki claim ay kata ka awareness ki claim ay awareness siya ki college ba per kumno ka ini ka kano ka NEP ka di banlong kumno ka di banyan ki claim ay kata ka jing hikay ki faculties member ba ki di panyat kloy kano ki janjare ki basan shim ka new education policy har ajar apply ki implement be direct ki kelam ai pori ki no hikai baki habwat no hikai nama taki nama don ki courses mi thamai ki kam no hikai thamai kita baru khoi ki kelam yolat ki no hikai bakin wat kita baru khoi ki kelam yolat bakin pen i bhai ki khana ka igata ka new education policy ki hab shube berkaya course ka jong ki nama ki aslam man pelong yang ka classes ro. So those are the problems. And the main thing is hapor baka nehu ko omban implement yang kata new education policy ka state government ko lang ba ompadla because there are so many things kidi bon ki igay kijing ka ba ka state kamat na ka new education policy. Yang inya pa ka jing krenjong education minister ra arajar apply mo.
And white.
It is need of the hour to implement. However, the state head of the institutions, the principal council of the state has petitioned that head of the institution saying we are not ready for this academic session. So even I had a personal one-to-one meeting with some prominent head of the institutions of the city. So they also of the view that this session is not ready to implement NEP 2020. So
what are the challenges associated with this national education policy?
National education policy concept is very, very, very topic because the whole idea is to bring up the standard of our education system across the country with a global standard. But the challenging is, like suppose when we implement NEP 2020, the multidisciplinary courses has to be introduced. By 2030, every institution, colleges has to be autonomous like institutions where all the multidisciplinary courses will have to be there. So lots of faculty has to be getting the infrastructure and all things to be improved now. But because our state institutions we are not prepared well to implement immediately. But however, we are trying our best. The earlier is the better. So we don't.
Nong kam kot nong tui namar ba ngam te pisa kanong na pisa pi yeso to tamba dan hi kipat ngar bangam sko to dan hi kipat bangam so to tang chabatai pi kindiat ka jinga chu education minister hai u ara char apply to ang ba kan education policy ka best ba ka lasna kana kata ko dor bangin yo pen kiu bastana jong ka education system apo ka ri ge jongi but kan panya ha pro ka education system globally berki wiki ri rukum jo. That's what the new education policy is all about. Namar ya kan new education policy new education policy la apply no necessary hadu ki graduate but postgraduate. So lada kila apply kumta ka lalong very new. Kalau lalong katampai ni kan new education policy bar ko apa state. Education minister ang ngane ba bon ki college kim patdan ya kita ki faculty member ki babiang ki no hikai ki babiang ban le ki courses ki ba pair ba mi apnaw na ka new education policy ki infrastructure kim patbiang. So those are the things baka state ka face difficulty ban le ya ka new education policy sendat. Teknik ka jingkali kawan no kan. Lada education minister tu ka par uladap ang ka state kan palong prepare ban shim ka new education policy. It is important but implement. It is important but implement ban implement sendat pa kalong ka ka bama. Lada ka state government ka bang. Baka state ko jingi ka palong prepare nam ta ka new education policy. The belay baka ne hu ka apply. Belay ka ne hu ka accept ban shim ka new education policy sendat no hi. Kena mentapat kilong baningkong do ban mat ikijing barokhat hani orang IPM ka new education policy and NEP kamlong ka basneo. The problem was the implementation was not right because baki long ko rush no ya ka banle hangne ngashkar matai pi khnech pang new education policy ma dengan peniyata de pi khamsok pi. So kaya ka new education policy. Kaayu ta new education policy. Ka new education policy kilas na kana kata kador bapen kiu ya ka education system hapokari India barakaway nado nursery hadu graduate hadu undergraduate hadu ki graduate hadu ki postgraduate kumcho. Kila ay kana kata kador ban pensok ikna. Ta ka iba pensok nam ta kini ki undergraduate students kadai kane ki ay flexibility. Kaya ka flexibility. Flexibility kalong kumne. Lada mata village BA Hisham kasi honors damatala saya hadin arbnai lai bana hipule pim sotonat ne hadin dru bana hipule pim sotonat pila ben search sakiwe ki subject ki ba phi ngotonat kalongom ta flexibility. Skill development suppose mata pinon skill kom carpentry ne wiring ne plumbing kum kita ma pinon skill kum kita ne videography ne photography pinon skill kum kita ki college ki ba phi rong Kini bandon ya kini ki courses, kini skill development courses kan. Ban pentebet yo kena hak tu ka skill pidan. So, mula saya sini pimio kam hak ka subject ka pilet, pila ban what kam na kani ka skill development ka jongpi. So, research opportunity. Kani ka research opportunity menshua ka research ka don hapo master, hapo ka second year jong master. Mentapat ka research kala don ha usnam ubasau na ka new education policy kan, na ka new education policy kala don ha usnam ubasau jong ka undergraduate, jong ki kena ki balik college. Haus nang ubasau kata ka de ka 7 and 8 semester. Hang tu kala don ya ka research opportunity. Mula saya sini kile cak maro kala kamsuk iki kala don pa ka tu understanding makin le iki barakhat. Right? So, multidisciplinary learning. Kadi ka multidisciplinary learning long kuma panikai spang long it's just a revision about human rights ka long kum ka revision nam ta human rights nam ta kiniki constitutional law kita baru khat multidisciplinary learning ya shabangan batay ka academic bank of credit ngan batay pi ka multi exit entry and exit ba kani ka multi entry and exit kadi kani suppose man ta pidap shisnam pladap la shisnam jong ka degree pila ban ino yo college pinyo ka certificate ko jong pi shisnam pila pandap degree sisnam. Dari pidap asnam PE no, PO ka diploma ka jompi. Na pidap license PE no, PO ka bachelor degree ka jompi claim honors paper. Tabada pila bros asnam bat PO ka honors with research. Kane ka de ka rule jong ka new education policy. Okay? So kini bar ko suppose menta pila sisnam PE no within hapo nyosnam pide ban join bang college. Lada pim join show hapo nyosnam takata kala loss jompi. Pinyo betang ko ka certificate pa pandap system. Pimla sure ban join ya ka diploma ka bachelor degree ya ka honors and research pimla sure. Ya made pi join me hapo news nempat pila ban le ikini baro kan. Pila ban le ben ikini. So lada PE kum tur kani ka academic bank of credit. Kani ka academic bank of credit kan store kan. Kalong digital bank of credit kan store kitu ki marks ki jong pi ki GPA points ki jong pi ki GPA percentage ki jong pi kan store kita. Timula la saya singi pi join bang hadir na piladap ya ka shisnam pi join bang hadir asnam na licenam da ka tu hi ki ju ki marks ki tu ki ju hi ki points pila ban join college bang sa isi. That's what academic bank of credit is. So matang na pila parang hey pat pagi kena ki mat ki jeng ka problem ka di kan ka fourth year kan. Kana mun siya ba kami ka new education policy ki klam batay bahay ki kena ki ba ki don kam. De ban qualify nam ta ka research and honors jong ka fourth year ki don kam ya kata ka minimum percentage 75%. Don ki college ki batip hadin ka hapok hao second semester. Don ki college ki batip hao third semester. Kum ka college jong iparagan thay ko jong ata ki tip hao fifth semester. Imagine pi lada kila dona marks ka first semester, second semester, third semester kum no hi kin cover up sho ban panyo eta 75% na ki ko ban like honors by research. It's not possible. Somewhat ka NEP ka nehu hatu ka por ka klam batay bahaken ka klam ay awareness bahaken ka ka banung kam na matagi kena banda ikini baro khay. So that's the thing. Second problem is kanehu hadu menta kampan long prepare kumala ang mani na pasdang do kanehu kapal long prepare ban le ka 7 but 8 semester kata ka de ka research year. Ka research year jong ki kena college kim pa long prepare hadu mentaro. Ki pa dan ka syllabus on panyay ro. Hadu kino hikay ki ang kata ki ang kumju kumta. An kino hikay ki long confused lada la siya ki yo ya gane ka syllabus kin pentebet choy la dene kin pentebet choy kena ne. Namar ban le ka ne ka research ro kino kam no hikay ki babiang ba. Kino hikay ki baladon experience ki bala pass PhD ki bala abiang ki qualification ko jong ki ban hikay gane. So it's not easy. Right? So those are the problems that the college is facing right now. Dan mentalada ada kim don ya kata research, ada kim don ya kata research ka 4 year. An penipi. Ada kim don ya kan research. Kim don ya kan research ha ka 4 year mungkin let tanya ko honors paper ka jong ki tala long na am kumba ngi le man shwa. Ngi mo chong le license ngi yo ka honors ka jong ngi mi ngi like master ngi what kam kata ka shong ka man ka jong right. Kim don ada ki kena ki le ha ka 4 year ki let tanya ko honors ka long kay. It's a waste of time nam tagi kena. It's a waste of time nam tagi kena. Ki kena man ta ki upload ka por ka jong ki sa shisnam. Kalam don jong montoy ki let tanya ka honors. Ki upload ben ka pisa ka jong ki sa shisnam ka jing sa baywaying ka jong ki lada ki sa hostel ka jong load ka bay hostel ka jong ki ka jong let jing wan ka jong ki sa ki college ki jong ki. Ki upload ben sa isin. An ka burden ka poy hey. Ha ki family member. Ka burden ka poy hey ha ki family member. Kena first thing first Students are left in confusion. Kambiang ka jing ay jing tip na po ka nehu na po ki college ki prepare. Hadin pat kawan kata ka jing bom tik na kinlong kumno la siya singa kalaway ka jongki. And hadin pat ka financial burden. Ka jing kit ha ka jing siu jing dia ka jong ka ying kasem jong khynnah. Mentabun ki khynnah ki hab drop out na kata ka daw. Hab drop out na kata ka daw. Kini singi kami news na long time ba ka kiu kata ka drop out rate ha po ka state ko jongi. Ano pang lang pia po college am hadu 50% ka drop out rate ka don. 50% ka drop out rate ka don. Na mar haga por mi new education policy am nakajing tip jonga kata nakajing i jonga jongi khynnah ki basa hang ni ka jaka. Hadu nyo drew hadu nyongor ki khynnah ki drop out tang na mar ba kami ka new education policy ka jing kiu ka fees ka jongki ka jing bom so tho ka jongki ya ka new education policy. So much of confusion wadan haki. Kim song tho kin le yu. Kim tho kan wan kan long kum no la chales ngi. Ya kata takadaw ki drop out. Temata ki khynnah ki balik pat ki don ya ka financial burden. Kim tip la chales ngi lada ki le ya ka 4 year ro. Ka transition jo ki kan long kum no lada ki le ka 4 year kendep ka honors ka jong ki mut ki habit se ka master arts nam. Mut ki habit ka PhD se nam. It's a long process again. It's just a waste of time and money. The problem here is education reform kalong kong san ba ban reform ban kalaya ka education system apo ka state ka jongi apo ka ri India bro ka wahi kalong ka bodong kam ha tamba ka implementation communication awareness yaki khynnah kalong kam kong san number ka ka education system ka implementation ka dingkong do ka di banlong student friendly ki khynnah ka di banlong 100% sure understand yak ki mudlen lada kim song ya kata means the future of the students is at waste. Mata habang akli khynnah college mata, do you understand? No. They are confused. Bun khynnah mata kin drop no ha ka third year. Kiyong kumta bun kin drop na ka third year na mar balay ba kim so tho la sha singi kan long kum no ka jing im jongki. So it's better we leave with just the degree certificate. Tenga scope kli piang ni kawai. Yigibri wage bapit barok ha. Do you think baka state ko jongi kanehu kalapan kerki palat ban implement ya new education policy. Te ngako apnya share ka video na markane kamde ka video tang na manta ka jing jing khynnah handre ka deiro na manta kitu ki khynnah ki ban late college la chali singi. Perkhat bhasha sha ban late college. Okay. Perkhat bhasha lalapi ko ban late tangai snam phila ban ka ignu phila ban tre artat phila ban da piko ban le kini ki extra courses so phila ban la ko jong phiko ban upgrade ka skill ko jong phila da phila ignu phish pan na ka report ko jong phila ban le skill ko jong at the same time, right? So lada pisngo wakalong important pinlet ka college ba pinlet ka new education policy, go ahead, it's fine, but before you do anything think about it carefully because one mistake your life is ruined. So I don't know what you guys think. Let us know what happened. Please share, like, subscribe. Thank you. Until next time. God bless you all.